Welcome back to another deep dive with the Morse Global Finance podcast team.
Uh-huh.
I'm John, and I'm here with Tiffany, our resident expert on all things finance.
Absolutely.
Today,
Yeah.
we're tackling GoldClub Direct,
Okay.
a company making some pretty bold claims in the gold investment world.
Mm-hmm.
You've shared some research with us,
Right.
and we're going to dig into whether their promises hold up.
Yeah, that's right. GoldClub Direct is positioning themselves as kind of a disruptor,
Okay.
aiming to simplify gold buying and offer a more transparent experience.
Mm-hmm.
But in a market as saturated as this, it's crucial to separate marketing hype from reality.
Exactly.
Mm-hmm.
So let's start with their origin story.
Sure.
They claim to have emerged from frustration with traditional gold buying, high markups, opaque pricing, and a general feeling of being taken advantage of.
Right.
Is this a common sentiment among gold investors?
It is. The precious metals market has historically been quite fragmented and complex, with a lot of intermediaries adding to the cost and confusion.
Right.
GoldClub Direct's focus on direct sales and wholesale pricing certainly taps into a desire for a simpler, more affordable approach.
Okay, so they've identified a pain point.
Yeah.
But do their solutions actually address it?
Right.
One of their biggest selling points is the 100% satisfaction guarantee.
Okay.
What does this guarantee actually cover?
That's a great question, John,
Yeah.
and one that deserves careful scrutiny.
Mm-hmm.
While their website mentions the guarantee, the specifics are a bit vague. It's crucial to understand what constitutes satisfaction in their terms.
Right.
Does it cover price fluctuations, potential damage during shipping,
Right.
or simply a change of heart?
Mm-hmm.
And how does their return window and process compare to competitors?
Yeah.
These are details a savvy investor needs to understand before committing.
And speaking of specifics,
Yeah.
their community focus is interesting.
Okay.
They talk about creating a space for like-minded individuals to connect and learn. But is this community genuinely valuable? Or is it primarily a marketing tactic?
I'm glad you brought that up.
Yeah.
Community can be a powerful tool,
Right.
especially in a field like investing where knowledge sharing and peer support can be beneficial.
Mm-hmm.
However, the true value of a community lies in its authenticity and the quality of interactions.
Okay.
It's worth investigating how active and engaged their community is,
Right.
what kind of information is shared, and whether it goes beyond basic marketing messages.
Good point. Now, let's move on to what they're actually selling.
Okay?
GoldClub Direct boasts a diverse product selection,
Yeah.
ranging from classic gold coins like Australian kangaroos to silver bars and even platinum options.
Okay.
What should our listener keep in mind as they navigate this vast catalog?
It's easy to get caught up in the allure of shiny objects,
Right.
but a discerning investor should focus on more than just aesthetics. First, consider the premiums associated with different products. Are the markups on certain coins or bars justified by their rarity or collector value?
Right.
Second, think about the purpose of this investment.
Okay.
Are you looking for short-term gains or long-term wealth preservation? Your choice of products should align with your overall investment strategy.
That's crucial advice.
Yeah.
It's about understanding the intrinsic value of what you're buying,
Right.
not just its visual appeal.
Exactly.
Now, another aspect they heavily promote is their streamlined buying and selling process.
Okay.
They claim to offer quick quotes, secure transactions, and fast payment turnarounds. How do their operational practices compare to industry norms?
Speed and efficiency are certainly desirable,
Right.
but they shouldn't come at the expense of security and due diligence.
Okay.
Investigating their payment processing timeframes, shipping protocols, and insurance policies is essential. Transparency is key here.
Yeah.
Do they clearly outline their fees, delivery timelines, and procedures for handling potential issues like damage or loss? A company truly committed to customer satisfaction will provide clear and accessible information on these matters.
You've raised some excellent points, Tiffany. I'm already sensing that a deeper dive into GoldClub Direct requires more than just skimming their marketing materials.
Yeah.
Let's delve into some of their specific product offerings and see if the details match their broad claims.
Let's do that, John.
Okay.
It's time to separate the gold from the glitter, so to speak.
All right.
Yeah. All right, let's unpack some of these specific product offerings, starting with their gold selection.
Okay.
They highlight popular coins like the Australian kangaroo and Canadian maple leaf, but also mention a 1-ounce combi bar that can be broken into smaller pieces. What are your thoughts on this mix, John?
Well, offering a variety of sizes and denominations is certainly appealing to a broader range of investors.
Right.
Someone just starting out might be hesitant to jump into a full ounce of gold.
Yeah.
So the combi bar's flexibility is intriguing,
Mm-hmm.
but I'm curious about the practicalities. How easily can these pieces be broken off?
Yeah.
And does doing so affect their resale value?
Right.
That's something our listener would want to clarify with Gold Club Direct before investing.
Absolutely. Resale value is crucial,
Yeah.
and it can fluctuate based on the form and condition of the metal.
Okay.
It's also important to consider premiums.
Right.
While popular bullion coins often carry higher premiums due to demand,
Mm-hmm.
those premiums might not appreciate at the same rate as the metal itself.
Yeah.
It's a balancing act between recognizability and potential return on investment.
That's a great point.
Yeah.
Moving on to silver.
Okay.
Gold Club Direct advertises a 10-ounce silver bar deal limited to one per household
Mm-hmm.
and a variety of options like American flag bars
Right.
and British Silver Royal, Tudor Beasts,
Yeah.
unicorn coins.
Okay.
It seems they're targeting both investors and collectors here.
That's an interesting observation, John.
Yeah.
Offering limited time deals can be a clever way to attract new customers,
Right.
but it's important to look beyond the initial discount. How do the prices of their silver products compare to the market rate once you factor in premiums and potential buyback fees?
Okay.
And for those drawn to the collectible aspect,
Yeah.
it's crucial to understand the market for those specific items.
Right.
Collectible value is often driven by factors beyond the intrinsic metal value, like rarity, condition, and historical significance.
So again, due diligence is key.
Absolutely.
Don't let a flashy deal distract you from the bigger picture.
Right.
Now let's touch on platinum.
Okay.
Gold Club Direct features the 2024 British Platinum Royal Tudor Beasts unicorn coin
Yeah.
and a 1-ounce Valcombi platinum bar.
Mm-hmm.
Platinum often plays second fiddle to gold and silver.
Yeah.
So what's the investment case here?
Platinum is often seen as an industrial metal,
Yep.
with its price influenced by demand in sectors like automotive and electronics.
Right.
However, it also has investment potential,
Uh-huh.
particularly for those looking to diversify their precious metals portfolio.
Okay.
It's worth noting that platinum is much rarer than gold, and some analysts believe it's undervalued relative to gold.
Mm-hmm.
But as with any investment, it's crucial to research the factors driving platinum's price
Okay.
and understand its historical performance before jumping in.
So we've got a good overview of the product range.
Yeah.
Now let's shift gears and look at their precious metals IRA offerings.
Okay.
This is where things can get complex.
Mm-hmm.
And Gold Club Direct emphasizes their straightforward approach,
Right.
partnering with Digital Trust for custody and Transcontinental Depository Services for storage.
Okay.
How should our listener evaluate these partnerships?
Choosing a custodian and storage facility for your precious metals IRA is a significant decision.
Right.
While Gold Club Direct suggests these partners,
Mm-hmm.
it's wise for our listener to do their own independent research.
Okay.
What are the fees associated with digital trust services?
Right.
What is their track record in terms of security and customer satisfaction?
Uh-huh.
And regarding Transcontinental Depository Services,
Yeah.
what security measures do they have in place?
Okay.
Are their facilities independently audited?
Mm-hmm.
Don't just take Gold Club Direct's word for it.
Right.
Verify the credentials and reputations of these partners to ensure your investment is in safe hands.
Excellent advice.
Cool.
It's about taking ownership of your investment decisions
Yeah.
and not relying solely on a company's recommendations.
Right.
Now let's talk about selling.
Okay.
Gold Club Direct claims a simple process with quick payment turnaround.
Mm-hmm.
But what are the potential pitfalls our listeners should be aware of?
While a streamlined selling process is desirable,
Right.
the devil is often in the details.
Okay.
What are Gold Club Direct's buyback rates?
Mm-hmm.
Do they fluctuate based on market conditions?
Right.
Are there any minimum sell amounts or fees associated with liquidation?
Okay.
And how do their buyback prices compare to what you could get on the open market?
Yeah.
These are all critical questions to ask before you commit to selling through Gold Club Direct.
Mm.
It's always wise to explore multiple options to ensure you're getting the best possible return on your investment.
You've raised some excellent points, Tiffany.
Thanks.
It's clear that transparency is paramount when dealing with any investment platform.
Right.
Especially one as specialized as Gold Club Direct.
Yeah.
Let's shift gears and examine their customer feedback and reputation to see if their practices match their promises.
Indeed, John. Let's delve into what actual customers are saying and see if their experiences align with the picture Gold Club Direct paints.
All right, Tiffany, let's dive into the always crucial world of customer feedback. Gold Club Direct boasts glowing testimonials on their website and a stellar rating on Shopper Approved.
Uh-huh.
But we also found some mixed reviews on other platforms.
Okay.
How do we reconcile these differing perspectives?
It's common to see a mix of reviews for any company, John, especially in the world of online commerce. Positive reviews can be a good sign, but it's essential to approach them with a critical eye.
Okay.
Are the testimonials on their website carefully curated?
Right. Do they seem authentic or are they overly generic?
Right.
And regarding platforms like Shopper Approved,
Yeah.
it's worth considering the source.
Okay.
Are these reviews verified?
Right.
Is there a possibility of biased or incentivized feedback?
Those are excellent questions. It's about looking beyond the surface and evaluating the context of those positive reviews.
Right.
Now, on the flip side, we did find some negative reviews mentioning issues with shipping times, payment approvals, and customer service.
Okay.
How should our listener weigh these concerns?
Negative reviews, while often unpleasant, can be incredibly valuable sources of information.
Yeah.
They highlight potential pain points
Right.
and areas where a company might be falling short. Of course, it's important to consider the source and the nature of the complaint.
Right.
Is it a one-off issue,
Okay.
or does it point to a systemic problem?
Yeah.
Do multiple reviewers echo the same concerns? It's also helpful to see how the company responds to negative feedback.
Do they acknowledge the issue? Do they
Right.
offer solutions?
Yeah.
Their approach to customer complaints can reveal a lot about their commitment to service and transparency.
So it's not just about the presence of negative reviews, but also about how the company handles them. That speaks volumes about their integrity and customer centricity. Now let's pull back from the granular level and consider Gold Club Direct's reputation within the broader precious metals industry. What's their standing among experts and competitors?
Reputation is everything in the world of finance, John, and it's built over time through consistent performance and ethical conduct. It's worth exploring what industry publications and reputable financial analysts say about Gold Club Direct.
Okay.
Do they have a track record of accurate pricing?
Right.
Are their business practices considered sound? And how do their fees and services compare to well-established competitors?
Okay.
An independent assessment from trusted sources can provide valuable context and help our listener gauge Gold Club Direct's credibility within the industry.
This has been a fascinating deep dive, Tiffany. We've gone beyond the glossy marketing materials and delved into the nuances of Gold Club Direct's offerings, examining their products, services, and even the fine print. What key takeaways should our listener keep in mind as they consider whether Gold Club Direct is the right fit for their gold investing journey?
Gold Club Direct presents itself as a disruptor in the precious metals market, aiming to simplify gold buying and offer a more transparent experience. They have a wide selection of products including gold, silver, and platinum, with a focus on popular bullion coins and bars. They also offer precious metals IRAs, partnering with Digital Trust for custody and Transcontinental Depository Services for storage. However, it's crucial to conduct thorough due diligence before investing with any company, especially in a field as specialized as precious metals.
Absolutely. Our listeners should carefully scrutinize the details of their 100% satisfaction guarantee, research the authenticity and value of their community, and compare their pricing and fees with competitors. It's also crucial to independently verify the reputation of their custodian and storage partners. Don't just rely on testimonials. Dig deeper. Consult reputable industry sources, and make an informed decision based on facts, not just marketing promises.
Well said, John. And remember, a savvy investor is an empowered investor. Don't be afraid to ask questions, challenge assumptions, and demand transparency. The world of precious metals can be complex, but with careful research and a discerning eye, you can navigate it successfully.
Excellent advice, Tiffany. Thank you for guiding us through this deep dive into Gold Club Direct. And to our listener, we hope this analysis has equipped you with the knowledge and insights you need to make informed decisions about your precious metals investments. Until next time, happy investing.